Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the MileagePlus X app works, what it offers, and whether it's a smart way to earn more. United Airlines. Miles through everyday purchases. MileagePlus X, often referred to as MPX, is a rewards app from United Airlines that allows users to earn extra miles when they shop, dine, or buy gift cards. The app is available for iOS and Android, and it links directly to your United MileagePlus account. Once connected, you can browse a wide selection of retailers and restaurants, where you can purchase e-gift cards instantly through the app. When you make a purchase, you earn United miles at rates that vary by merchant, sometimes as much as 5 miles per dollar spent. Using the app is simple. You choose a merchant, enter the purchase amount, and buy a digital gift card, which is delivered instantly in the app. You can then scan or show the barcode at checkout or use the card online. It works for everyday spending like groceries, dining out, or shopping for clothes, letting you earn miles for purchases you'd make anyway. Many users also stack it with credit card rewards to double up on benefits. MileagePlus X also allows you to link a United MileagePlus credit card for extra earning. Some offers are only available to cardholders, giving them higher mileage rates and occasional exclusive deals. Plus, there are special promotions that temporarily boost mileage on certain brands, especially during holidays or travel seasons. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the app offers a convenient way to earn bonus miles without changing your shopping habits. It's easy to use, updates gift card balances in real time, and gives you access to miles from hundreds of retailers. The downsides include limited in-store usability at some places, and you must commit to the gift card amount in advance, so there's no refund if you change your mind. Also, if the store doesn't accept mobile gift cards or you misplace the code, it can be inconvenient. Overall, the MileagePlus X app is a solid tool for frequent flyers or anyone trying to rack up United miles faster. As long as you're mindful of where and how you shop, it's an easy way to boost your miles passively while spending. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.